All right, so just so you guys know, there is a Man Cave Tool store. The link is in the description below. You can get a hat, shirt, hoodie, long sleeve shirts, mugs, stickers, and a whole assortment of stuff. So please like this video and subscribe to the channel. Viewer discretion is advised. I do use my firearm in this video. It's in a safe environment. No rounds are being used. The main focus of this video is a training laser. All right, so that's the main focus, but viewer discretion is advised. All right, so today what we are going to do is we are going to see what the G-Sight dry fire training is all about. Now, I ordered this a few weeks ago. I bought this. This was not sent to me. And so I wanted to be able to practice firing and holding my firearm indoors without having to go to the gun range and just use up gunpowder like crazy. So I saw this ad in actually a YouTube video, and I decided to actually click on it and check it out, and I bought it. This thing actually does help you use your firearm in a safe situation and inside your house. Now, all you have to do is set up a target, download an app, and what happens is the app tracks your shots when it comes to what it sees through the camera. I haven't used the app yet. Now, the app itself is free. You get 10 free practice shots by 2 training things. One is practice just with unlimited shots, and the other one is a timer. Now they're $5 each. I bought them both. $10 to help you practice multiple things indoors and in a safe environment without having to go to a gun range. To me, that's worth it. So I bought them both. This itself costs $80. Now all this is, it is a laser that gets that shoots out a blink after the firing pin strikes it. This is gonna be my first time actually using a target and using the app, so we're gonna go over this together. So like I said in a previous video, I used the Milwaukee Packout system to take my firearm to the gun range, and so yeah, so it's good. It serves me well, and I love using this. You know, and I walk in the gun range with pride with this. See what's inside here, and let's test this out. All right, this is how it is. It comes with 3 additional batteries and 3 O-rings. All right, so when you first open this up, what you're gonna have to do is you're gonna have to untwist this. There is a black little tab that you're gonna have to pull out, and then just put the cover back in. As you can see, that's where the 3 batteries go. Then you just twist this back on. And then right here is where the laser comes out. All right, so now after reading the instructions, what you need to do is if you have issues putting this in the chamber, then you need to oil up the O-rings really quick so it just slides right in, because it's just the friction of the O-rings against the barrel. So you're gonna have to oil that up a little bit, not much, barely anything, just like put a smudge, not even a drop, put like a little smudge, then you just do that, and then you're good to go. So actually I'm gonna, if I need to put a little oil on it to put in the chamber, then I will. All right, so safety. G-Sight is all about safety. All right, so this is I have a Walther PPQ 9mm. All right, so always make sure your magazine is empty, and make sure that your chamber is empty. That is absolute essential to make sure safety first. All right, 0 excuses on why you don't check this. Always check this. Safety first. All right, there is no rounds in here. All right, in the chamber. Oh, so I can put that in. And do not dry fire this weapon. Do not dry fire it without something in the chamber. So if you have it cocked, do not pull the trigger. All right, so that is how you know it's empty. All right, so the batteries are all in, and so what happens is the firing pin strikes this rubber cylinder inside, and then it just activates the laser pointer and it shoots a laser. All right, so let's see if I need to put oil in it. I am pretty sure I will. Nope, mine slides right in. There you go. Do not push that in far. I'm not sure if you can see that, but that is, you don't need to push it in far. All right, now that that's in, then we are good to go. Now it's no longer, now you could dry fire it because the pin will not be pushed all the way. All right, so then if you just pull the trigger, now remember, everything's checked, safety first. All right, so that little light. So that's what this does. That's all this. That's all what G-Sight does. All right, so you just open the app up, and then this is what you see. If you go to home, you go to train, it gives you these. It gives you these. So if you go to 10 shots, you only get 10 shots, and then that's it. Then it's the free edition. And then so if you go to Laser Training Unlimited, that's $5, $4.99. If you go to Shot Timer, this is also $4.99. All right, so we're just going to do normal laser training. Let's click on that. Let's put our target up. Set up our. I do not have a stand yet for the phone, which I'm going to. Zoom in. Start calibrating. All right, it says it begins shooting, so we're good to go. All right, so that's that. It is cocked. We are safety. Let's see. It even makes a noise. That's cool. Yeah, it's keeping track of exactly where the laser goes. All right, so let's go to the number 10. That's on the top left. Headshot. Let's do number 5. My left shoulder that's on the left. My left. Right shoulder. X in the middle. All right, so what this also does, it trains your shoulders to being used to that position, because my first time going to the gun range, my shoulders were killing me after like 25 minutes. So that is good. So let's go a little bit back more. Alrighty, so this is 17 feet. So this is shooting at 17 feet. Let's see how my accuracy is. Let's get my wife. Let's get my wife. All right, so I got my wife here. Let's see how she does at 17 shots. As you can see, the camera's not even near us. Let's see how you do.
I'm not shooting 17 shots.
No, it says 17 feet. I'm sorry, 17 at 17 feet. It makes a noise too.
Where am I aiming at? The head?
Anywhere, anywhere. Just call your shot.
All right, we'll do the chest shot.
Chest shot. Very good. Do one more. Do a headshot. Good job. Love you. Okay, so it says it's 18 shots detected. Well, that's actually extremely awesome that it shows exactly where you hit. That's seriously awesome. I'll show you guys like that, even though I did a screen recording. I'm like, that's seriously awesome. All right, so like I said, safety is number one. Always make sure, double check, triple check, quadruple check. Make sure there are no rounds in the chamber or in the magazine. Check a million times. Safety is number one. All right, and a safe way to take this out without messing anything up is I use a Bic pen, put it in there, because you don't use anything metal to take it out, because you don't want to scratch the barrel. So take it out, that's out, then done. Then you put this back in, and remember it's cocked, do not dry fire it. So then you put that back in. Now, I'm assuming this is sensitive, so I'm going to keep this in its own case. Just like that. Done. I actually put these back over here because I do not need them. Like I said, this Milwaukee pack-out system is awesome to bring to the gun range. It really is. So if you're a gun owner and you want to find a nice carrying case for your weapons, Milwaukee pack-out system, this is a small unit. They have much bigger units like this, and it's seriously some awesome stuff. So, and I do have a Olight. I do have Olight right there. This is the PL Mini 2 Valkyrin, and this light is seriously bright. I think it's 600 lumens. It's seriously bright. Now, when it comes to firearms and protecting your home, that light is your first defense. All right, blind them just to see if they get scared. Because this light will blind you. Like, you won't be able to see anything because it's so bright. All right, so this is $80. I'll put this in the link in the description because this thing is actually that awesome. All right, then $10 for 2 options to be able to use on the app. You don't have to buy both. You just can buy one. But I want to practice on both and see how it does. So this thing's awesome though, and yeah, I do. If you want to practice at your home, I highly recommend this. This thing's fantastic. All right, so if you found this video helpful, please like this video and please hit the bell button to be notified of future videos. Please subscribe to the channel. This is Dave Nicholas. Thank you for tuning in, and I'll see you guys next time.